Hello, this is Kaylee Pepperdine with K.210, and today I'm going to be walking my boss through her one-note flight itinerary. Here we see that she has her first flight scheduled April 9th. She'll be picked up at her home at 9 a.m. She will be departing the Spokane International Airport at 11:10. First layover at 12:35 p.m. in Seattle. We'll be departing Seattle at 1:30 p.m. Another layover in Los Angeles. Departing again at 5:25 and arriving at Mexico City International Airport. That will be her day one. And as you see here, she goes from here to Seattle, to Los Angeles, to Mexico, to her second stop, and back to Phoenix, and up to Spokane. Here you will find the taxi information for each stop. She'll be picked up and brought home by Bonner Taxi. At Mexico City Airport, she will be picked up by Comfort Plus Taxi. And for the third airport, she'll be picked up and brought back by Converted. Here's her Marriott stays. She will be staying at Mexico City and Guadalajara. For her downtime, the first hotel in Mexico City does have a spa. Guadalajara has a few nearby restaurants. I've attached some etiquette for Mexico's culture. And then back here, we'll see that she'll be arriving back into Spokane at 10:57 p.m. Thank you.